All right, we are on the record in file 21-48948-DM, Courtney Lynn Scivoletto versus Jonathan Paul Scivoletto. The record should reflect this matter was set for a show cause hearing this morning at 8 a.m. It is now 8:15 a.m. And Mr. Scivoletto has not appeared either by Zoom or in person here in the courtroom. The court has had a Zoom session running since shortly before 8 a.m. Mr. Scivoletto is not logged in at any time. So I am going to issue a bench warrant for his arrest. I will set bond on the bench warrant in the amount of $15,096.60. And Ms. Underwood, is anything you'd like to place on the record with respect to Mr. Scivoletto at this point?
Nothing, Your Honor. I left a message for him.
All right, I believe we've been through this with Mr. Scivoletto a couple of times previously. He has chronically appeared late for show cause hearings. If he does appear later this morning in any form, the court will instruct him simply to turn himself in on the bench warrant.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, thank you all for your time. Then you can go ahead and log out.
Do we have any pickups, anything at all?
Oh, you know what? We did have one. I'm sorry. We had one from Mr. Skinner. Can you call Patrick Skinner? Oh, that's okay. We do have one for Patrick Skinner. We will send you his warrant right now.
Hi, this is Kelly and Judge Olsey Brothers. Could we have Patrick Skinner in the room for the judge, please? Thank you. Bye.
All right, I have a jail device logged in, jail 1, the camera is off and the microphone is muted. If there's anyone in that room, can you please turn the camera on and unmute the device, please.
Your Honor, I still see Mrs. Scivoletto here.
Ms. Scivoletto, are you there?
Maybe
Yes,
there
I
was
am.
a- Oh, sorry.
So we held Mr. Scivoletto's hearing. He did not appear, so I've issued a bench warrant for him.
Okay, perfect. Thank you.
Thank you very much. All right, if there's someone in the jail 1 room, can you please turn on the camera and unmute the microphone?
I'm just gonna be bringing one female up for housing here shortly. Hear us now, Judge?
All right, yes, thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Okay, we're on the record in file 21-20472-FH People versus Patrick Lee Skinner. We're here today for arraignment on a bench warrant. Sir, you are Patrick Lee Skinner.
Yes, sir.
Mr. Skinner, have you received a copy of the bench warrant?
Yes, sir.
The bench warrant alleges that you failed to appear for your sentencing hearing on September 28th, 2023. The maximum penalty for a contempt of court is up to 93 days in jail or $7,500 in fines. You are entitled to have an attorney represent you here today and with any other proceedings that we would have on this matter. If you can't afford an attorney, you can tell me that now and I'd appoint one for you at public expense. Do you understand all that?
Yes, sir.
It appears that you already have the public defender's office representing you on the underlying case. Do you want them to represent you on the contempt as well?
Yes, sir.
All right, I'll appoint the public defender's office to represent you with respect to contempt. I'll put you in a breakout session with Ms. Underwood from the public defender's office
No,
right now.
hey, Judge, we've already removed Miss Underwood from my case one time because of, Mr. John Glazer was my attorney.
Your Honor,
Okay, Mr. Skinner, Mr. Skinner. I'm sorry,
No.
go ahead, Ms. Underwood.
Mr. Glazer is Mr. Skinner's attorney. I don't know if we're going to be able to get a hold of him this morning. I was merely going to ascertain Mr. Skinner's condition and request that this matter be given a not guilty and set over until such time as Mr. Glazer could take care of it.
All right, Mr. Skinner, you have any issue with that?
No, sir.
All right, so I will enter a not guilty plea on behalf of Mr. Skinner. I will set this for a hearing on Wednesday at 8:15 a.m. unless we're able to get in contact with Mr. Glazer sooner and arrange to see you before that.
Thank you.
All right, so you're all set for now, Mr. Skinner. You can let the officer that's with you know that you're done with court for today.
Yes, sir.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you, Ms. Underwood.